Hello friends, I am going to explain you the next part of the demand curve, that is movement along the demand curve. There are various factors which influence the demand quantity demanded of the goods that depend on the determinants of the price demanded. The first important part in this is the changes in a price. The changes in the price is a one of the important determinant through which the quantity demanded depend. It means if the prices of the goods will decrease, it will create what the increase of the quantity demanded. Move from one point to another of the same graph. Fine. Now the next part, how it will presented in a movement along the demand curve. Here, the graph show if the price of the particular goods become from 6 rupees to 5 rupees, the demand for that goods will downward shifted. The demanded for quantity of the goods at rupees 5 is 10. The demand for that goods when the price is rupees 6 is around 7. It means that particular quantity demanded will become decrease in the case of price of that particular goods, right? Now in the next part, what are the types of the demand? The first part in this is individual demand, and in a second part is this what? Market demand. Individual demand is basically the demand of the individual customer or a consumer, but if we are talking about the market demand, it is a sum of the individual demand of the overall consumer of the market. Now, how the demand curve shifted from downward to rightward side, that depend on the price of the goods and quantity demanded at particular time when other remaining things are constant. Now the next part in this, if we are going to change the determinants or the factors, for example income, expectation of the future prices, as well as the substitutes goods, complementary goods, these are the factor through which the demand of the particular quantity of goods may vary, right? This is cause result in a shift of the demand curve, and new graph would be plotted. Changes in demand due to reason of what? The prices will go down or will go up. If the prices of particular goods will go down, the increase in the demand of the goods, right? Next part in this is, what are the causes of the increase in demand? The first part in this is what? Increase in a consumer goods income. If the income of the consumer will increase, that create the demand of the goods that depend on different type of a goods. The first part in this is what? A normal goods, and another part of the good is what? Inferior goods. If we are talking about the normal goods, what is impact of the consumer income of that normal goods? A good from which demand increases as consumer income rises. If the consumer income rises, the goods, normal goods for which the demand will also increase, right? If we are talking about the inferior goods, a goods which demand increases as consumer income falls. If we are talking about some inferior goods, that depend on if the consumer income rises for particular inferior goods, the demand for that good is decrease. For example, like bajra is a one of the example of the inferior good. If consumer income increases, the consumption of that bajra will decrease, right? The next part in this is changes in a price of the related good. First we are going to study What is impact of the substitute good? If we are going to study the substitute good, various goods are available in the market. If we are going to purchase one of the good, there are availability of another good in place of the previous goods. For example, like tea and coffee is one of the example of the substitute good. Another is what we are going to introduce you through one of the example. If we are talking about the Pepsi or a Coca-Cola, increase in a price of the Coke leads to the increase in a demand for a Pepsi. It means there is a relationship of the positive. Both goes in a same direction. That this is impact of the substitute good. In this graph, we are going to learn you through one of the graphical presentation. Suppose the price of the Coke rises from rupees 1 to rupees 1.50, then the demand for a Pepsi will decreases from 100 to 75. This is one of the example of the substitute good. In a second part, I'm going to explain you the example of the complementary goods. What are the impact of the complementary goods? What the demand curve changes if there are talking about the complementary goods.